Hi, hi, eighth grade teachers. So here is the sample question that you are welcome to use. Actually, I'd love it if you used it. And obviously, we're looking at of the questions that eighth grade classes have brought up in the past from reviewing the 70 steps of the Torah. We're going to look at this question right here: Why Moshe is punished so harshly, never forgetting what did he do that was so wrong. So first of all, you'll see you're going to get both this PowerPoint and the worksheet, and you can go through it with the kids first by letting them get the story straight by reading kind of the three slides that have the story. And then what makes this an interesting question? What's my initial hypothesis? And then asking two people what they think. Here's what they said. And then look again what the Torah says. And then they're going to write what their answer is at this point right in their worksheet. And this is what the worksheet looks like. They're going to get two questions that we need to try to answer before we start answering the main question. And that is, well, if God doesn't want Moses to use the staff, why does God say take the staff, right? So God says back here, right? God says, right, take the staff right here. Take the staff, sorry. Right, take the staff. And the number two piece that they need to really understand um, is back in Exodus 17, actually, a very similar situation happened. And the people were without water, and Moses is told to take the staff and to hit the rock. So it's like Moses is like kind of the rules have changed in a way. And Moses, kind of even in the heat of anger, needs to kind of understand that this. But is it kind of, I asked them, how is the solution there different from the solution here? Is it fair for God to change the rule on Moshe? So again, those are two things that kind of implicate God a little bit kind of in what happens next. And now we're going to get to the real question. And it kind of looks like a page of Mikro Kadola a little bit, right? And then so basically what's going to happen is we're going to go through each of the pieces, and then they're going to ask kind of how is this Mephosh Parshan answering the question. They'll kind of write it in their place there. The Rambam, right? How does he do it? Uh, Rabbi David Kasher is a rabbi who is a rabbi at Ikar right now. He just published this book called Parshanat. Rich Elliott Friedman um, wrote a modern commentary on the Torah, which we have in our Beit Midrash. Um, Harold Kushner, who wrote the red JPS um, Eitz Chaim version of the Torah, of the commentary Shai Held, Rabbi at Hadar. Um, so and then kind of after we do all those, and I think Harold Kushner is supposed to, yep, Harold Kushner, right, okay. So and then the final task is this: like imagine the Torah story that we just read ended in Moshe's reward rather than punishment, based upon one of the six ideas that you find most compelling for what Moshe did wrong. Rewrite the Torah in a way so that the story would have ended like this. And God said to Moses there, because you not tested, but trusted in me enough to cause. All right, so I'll change that right now. All right, and that's it. Um, if you'd like to try this in the form of an ed puzzle, let me know and I'll set it up for you. That's not going to take that long. The hardest part was kind of creating this PowerPoint. All right. All right. Good luck.